In this video, you will learn about Arduino EK R4 Experiment Kit, Arduino EK R4 Minima, Arduino IDE installation and setup, and how to compile and upload code onto the board by taking an example LED blink program. Meet the Arduino EK R4 Experiment Kit, a powerful and hands-on learning platform designed to bring your ideas to life. At the heart of the kit is the Arduino EK R4 Minima board. Looking at the board, you'll find a range of pre-connected modules, a servo motor, a NeoPixel RGB ring, a PWM-controlled fan, and an ultrasonic sensor, along with other onboard peripherals. Each peripheral is connected to the Arduino, making the connection process easier by saving the time and effort needed for connections using wires, jumper cables, or soldering the components. At the bottom, you'll find Grove connectors. These make it easy to plug in external modules without soldering. Arduino EK R4 Minima. This board has 256 kilobytes of flash memory and 32 kilobytes of SRAM. It was developed under the Made in India campaign in 2025. At the center of the board is the RA4 M1 microcontroller from Renesas. It's a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M4 processor running at 48 MHz, which gives the board better speed and performance than older Uno boards. Next, you'll see the USB-C port at the top. This is used to connect the board to your computer for uploading code and powering the board. You'll also find the reset button, which restarts the board and the program you uploaded. Along the sides are digital pins 0 to 13 and analog pins A0 to A5. These are used to connect sensors, LEDs, motors, and other components. Some digital pins also support PWM output, and some analog pins support I2C or SPI communication. There are two ways to power the Uno board. You can either plug the USB cable to your desktop or laptop, or you can connect a battery via the barrel jack. The board also includes onboard LEDs. One is the power indicator and another is connected to pin 30, useful for testing simple programs like Blink. To write code onto the Arduino board, we use an integrated development environment, simply known as IDE. To install this, head over to the official Arduino website at arduino.cc. Click on the Products menu and navigate to Softwares. Here you will find the option Arduino IDE. Click on it to view the download options. You will find the latest Arduino versions and the download options for different operating systems. Select the one that matches your operating system. If you are using Windows, I recommend downloading the installer for an easier setup process. Click on Download and follow the on-screen instructions for setting up the IDE. Once the installation process is completed, the application will open automatically. If not, do it manually. This is the development environment for Arduino boards. At the top, you will find the option to select the Arduino board that is connected to your computer. Before writing and uploading any code, we may need to install few packages that provide pre-written code functions that simplify interactions with hardware and software on Arduino boards. Click Tools and hover over the Boards option. Select Boards Manager and install the packages required. Click Install to install the package. Go to Tools. Here you will find the options Boards and Ports. Ports are USB connections between your computer and the Arduino. They enable uploading code and serial communication. Sometimes it may be selected automatically, like on my screen, but it's always good to confirm before uploading. For first-time users, select the port that appears when connecting the Arduino board to the computer. And in boards, select the Arduino Uno R4 Minima board. Let us now upload a small example program onto the board. Hover over Files and head over to Examples. You will find Basics, under which select Blink. This is a simple program that turns on and turns off the onboard LED at 1-second intervals. Before uploading the code, make sure to compile it to check for any errors in the program. Once compiled, upload the code and observe the output terminal for any messages. The code is uploaded successfully. Let us now take a look at the Arduino board to observe the output. Here, you can find the yellow LED on the Arduino blinking. We discussed about the Arduino EK Experiment Kit, Arduino EK R4 Minima board and its features, installed the Arduino IDE and uploaded a sample blink program and observed the onboard output. Whether you are building simple or complex projects, this experiment kit offers you the speed and features to go further. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.